Hey, I'm Johannes of newgadgets.de and I'm here at the Cebit 2018 in Hanover, Germany, and I'm in front of the Bestkit booth. Bestkit is providing a platform for cool gadgets, and in this video we're going to have a look at Kudrone, which is a small and very easy to use drone. But first of all, let me introduce you to Jenny, who will tell us more about Bestkit.
Hello, I'm Jenny. I'm from Bestkit, and we provide global platforms for cool high-tech products. So if you're a European company and you have cool high-tech product, you want to enter China market, we are happy to support you.
The Kudrone is a palm-sized mini drone that still provides you with cool features. With a size of just 16.5 by 60.5 millimeters and a weight of just 85 grams, it is super portable and you can take it anywhere you want to go. Its camera can take videos in a resolution up to 4K and pictures with 8 megapixels. Thanks to GPS and other sensors, it can hover perfectly stable and can be controlled by your smartphone with iOS or Android. It has an interchangeable battery, and one battery can last for 8 minutes of flying. The charging time is about 30 minutes. For safety and indoor flights, you can also attach the safety frame to it. Currently, the Kudrone has a price of $99 US. For its size and features, that's a pretty good price, and I can't wait to get one to fly it in my area. For now, I just tested it here in the exhibition hall, and that was already pretty impressive because the controls were easy to learn and also the movements of the drone were really precise. The video content of the camera is streamed to your smartphone, which allows you to always see where you're flying with the drone. And that was my video over here at the Bestkit booth at Cebit 2018 in Hanover, Germany. If you have any questions about the product, just leave me a comment in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. And if you like that product, give it a thumbs up over here on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video.